Today, tourism is one of the fastest growing and also one of the most revenue generating industries in the world. To provide interested learners with an understanding of marketing in general and tourism in particular, the School of Tourism and Hospitality Services Management, Indira Gandhi National Open University, is offering a course titled TS6 Tourism Marketing. I am Dr. Tangzakombi Akoizum and I will be coordinating this course. This particular course emphasizes on the role of marketing for both profit-making as well as non-profit-making organization, profit benefits as well as social benefits. Such knowledge is essential not only for managers but also for entrepreneurs and producers of both formal and informal services in tourism. This is an 8-credit course and is divided into 8 blocks, each with a common theme. In total, there are 32 units within this block. Block 1 is Understanding Tourism Marketing. There are 3 units in this block. The first unit is on Introduction to Tourism Marketing, Approaches, Relevance and Role. The second unit is on Market Segmentation, while the third unit is on Tourism Markets, wherein both the international and domestic tourism markets will be discussed. Now, Block 2 is on Market Analysis. This block has 4 units which explains the various facets of market analysis like market research, various forms of competition in the market and strategies to meet the challenges, market forecasting and new technologies which are of immense help for the development and the expansion of tourism industry. Now, Block 3 is on Developmental Role of Marketing. There are 5 units in this block and here the emphasis is on understanding the role of public organization, the role of local bodies and the NGOs, while also touching upon social marketing and socially responsible marketing aspects. Block 4 is on Marketing Mix and the 5 units in these blocks are designed to familiarize learners with the components of the marketing mix, product design and development, pricing strategies, promotion and distribution, as well as the 5th P in tourism. Block 5 is on Marketing Mix, Specific Situations. This is a very interesting block. And here 3 specific aspects involved in tourism marketing are explained. These are the familiarization tour, seasonality in tourism and trade fairs and festivals. Block 6 is on destination marketing and the focus of the 4 units in this block are on the application of the marketing concepts vis-a-vis destinations and other tourism attractions. So thus we have units on marketing of reasons, cities and leisure spots, then the role of events, activities and individual, and also marketing regarding shopping, education, culture and local foods. Block 7 is on accommodation marketing. Various accommodation types, their features and issues relating to their marketing are discussed. Star category hotels, alternative accommodation, supplementary accommodation, linkages between the various constituents of tourism industry that are required for marketing purposes. The last block, that is block number 8, is on transport and travel services marketing. And we have 4 units in this block and they deal with the issues in airline marketing, surface transport marketing, travel agency marketing and tour operating marketing. Thus, this is a very comprehensive course covering the marketing concepts, approaches and tools as well as their applications in various segments of the tourism industry. Well, if you look at the eligibility for enrollment in this course is 10+2. So this course we will provide you with e-tutorials in the form of video lectures by subject experts from all over the country. E-content, that is study materials, will be uploaded. And there will be a discussion forum where learners can clear their doubts. Internal assessment will be through quizzes and at the end of the course there will be a term and examination. Come, join me in this course as I take you through the journey of understanding the nuances of tourism marketing. It will truly be a rewarding experience.